Hello, beautiful soul. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Atena and I do videos all about creating conscious awareness so that you can live a more conscious life, a lot of subconscious mind reprogramming. And today's video is going to be a little more spiritual in nature, but also there's quite a bit of science to it. So today we're going to learn how to use a pendulum. I learned how to use this when I was getting certified in hypnosis, and it's one of those things that can really help you understand how you actually feel, and we'll get into why that is, what perhaps some of your subconscious limiting beliefs are, and how to get answers from your higher self or from source, the universe, whatever it is that you like to call. So if you're excited for today's topic, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and you leave a comment below to let me know if you want me to do more videos like this. And without further ado, let's hop to it. You can get a pendulum really from anywhere online. They're quite inexpensive actually. I personally recommend you go into a physical store and you pick one that you are driven to and guided to. I got this is actually a necklace, but anything that has like a chain and a crystal, something a little heavier to hold it down, not too heavy obviously, can work. And I love this. I got this from Pratt Daddy. It is a Lumerian quartz, and I love it because I carry it with me everywhere. This crystal is highly in tune with my energy, and it is super high quality. I've taken it with me now to St. Martin, Antigua, did I take it to Miami? Anyways, I've taken it to quite a few places and it's lived in the water for a long time. So get something that you know is gonna last. And I personally really recommend that you calibrate the energy to yours, and of course, cleanse your crystals. Cannot stress this enough. Cleanse it. So I do this by doing Reiki energy healing on it, as well as leaving it under the full moon and the new moon. If you want other methods of cleaning your crystal, you can also leave it in salt water. So if you live by the ocean, which was amazing when I was around there, it clears it there too, but you can also have salt water at home. You can use like a couple of methods for you to clear your crystals. Just make sure you clear them off. Selenite. Get a selenite stick, just putting it for 15-20 minutes. I like to leave it a lot longer. It will clear the energy. Just choose a crystal that resonates with your soul vibration. If you don't know what that means, choose the crystal that something inexplicable within you says, this is the crystal for me. The first thing you want to do is make sure that you hold it sturdy. Okay, so I could technically leave it like this, but it doesn't feel good to hold it like this. So I like to hold it right here. And what you want to do is ask the pendulum 2 questions for which the answer is either yes or no, and make sure you set the pendulum for answers. So the answers always have to be a yes or no. You cannot leave open-ended questions. There is a method to get answers from open-ended questions, and if you're interested, let me know, because I actually used that method to make a lot of hard decisions when it came to rebranding me. And I can definitely go with that, but it's a little bit more in depth. If you are interested though, let me know, because it's a lot of fun and it can save you a lot of conscious critical thinking that really won't resolve your problem or give you the right solution to desire, because the desire is on a soul level, higher level, and it could just clear out the noise. Okay, so what you want to do is hold your crystal eye level. Make sure your arm feels good. So if you really need to hold it, like just hold it like this to make sure it doesn't like shake and stuff. I'm quite used to it, so and this is really not heavy. Okay, so pendulum. Is my name Atena? Pendulum, stop. Is my name Orange? Pendulum, stop. So right there, I got a yes that was going like this and a no that was going like this. I already know the answers to those questions, and that's kind of what it is. You know on a cellular level the answers to many questions, and if you need the divine to intervene to let you know, you can get those answers as well. So the science of this is that your cells, when they say yes or no, they'll vibrate to a certain frequency, and that's going to make the pendulum swing in one direction or another. When you're first starting, I really recommend you just ask some basic questions to train your intuition and your confidence to rise. I started with really small questions. Like I would get up really early in the morning, and let's say I hadn't actually booked my spin class at 6 in the morning. If I got up at 5, I'm usually tired, and the last thing you want is multiple questions to ask yourself in the morning. So I took my pendulum and I would, calibrate it and say, pendulum, should I go to spin class? And the pendulum would swing in a specific way, and I listened to it each time, and when I listened to it, bam, always right. So that built up my confidence. As I built up my confidence, I actually started asking the pendulum a lot of questions about my money blocks, because I didn't know anymore. Like, when is it enough? Like, I worked on my money blocks so long that I was like, okay, am I still blocked on this? So I would ask it, let's take an example of something I'm not sure of. Okay. This might backfire on me, but I'm in the process of changing my name. So, okay. And I want to make sure it's the right decision. I think I know it's the right decision, but let's ask the pendulum what it says. Okay. Pendulum, is my name Atena Sadiq? Pendulum, is my name Atena Morelli? Pendulum, should I change my name to Atena Morelli? Pendulum, will my Iranian family be upset when I change my name to Atena Morelli? So this is actually really cool. It's going in circles. So here's the thing. There's two things. First of all, if you don't know the answer, or the answer is you're not ready for the answer, it's not time for you to get the answer, the pendulum will actually not move. It's going in circles. What it's telling me is that some people are going to be upset and some people are not. Such is life, right? So I hope this was insightful for you. I hope you get yourself a pendulum. Prad Daddy, if you want to start sponsoring my videos. I effing love this necklace. I've had it literally now for 2 years, taking it everywhere with me. It has served me beyond. It's a bit more on the pricey side. You can definitely get less expensive things. And as I said, really go with one that resonates with your soul vibration. And until next video, I'm sending you all lots of love, and have a wonderful day.